Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today is yet another zodiac series, and today we're going to talk about my zodiac sign, and that is Pisces. So, if you guys have birthdays around February, March, and if you are a Pisces sign, happy birthday. And if you guys are not a Pisces sign, then also happy week ahead. And now let's dive right into the tutorial. So let's begin. Let's prime our face. For my face, I'm going to use my Benefits Professional Primer. Same as usual. The pores have not disappeared, so we need this. So I'm just going to apply that right in the center of the face and let it sit for a little while before we even do our face. By the way, I did my brows already off camera, and I use my L'Oreal's Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Brunette. Now for my eye primer, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm taking this just because it is more of a lighter shade for me, I would say. So this would definitely take out all the discoloration out of my eyes, hide the veins. I definitely took too much. So once that is all blended, let's move on. And for today, we're going to use an oldie but a goodie. We're going to go with our Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette because today's color is like seafoam blue, green, a little bit of purple, all the hazy colors. That's what Pisces is all about. That is my sun sign, so I cannot do a lot of bad about it. But let's begin. I'm going to take the shade called Silk Cream from the palette, and this is more of like my skin tone shade, so that is what I would apply as my transitioning shade. And I've also applied a tape on my eye so that everything has a sharp end when we apply the eyeshadow. Now Pisces sun sign have birthdays from February 20th to March 20th. So all of you guys who are celebrating the birthday and who are Pisces, happy birthday to you. My birthday is on February 23rd. So by the time you are seeing this video, I think I would be somewhere closer to that. I'm just filming this closer to midway February. Now I'm going to take the shade called Puta from the palette, which is slightly deeper than the transitioning shade that we applied. I'm going to apply it closer towards the outer corner, moving to the center of the eyelid, but I'm going to keep this portion bare just because I want a lot more lightness over there. Now, as you guys know, Pisces is a water sign. The symbol of Pisces is fish. So it's super emotional sun sign. They're very kind-hearted people. They would give and not think about the risk. That's how they are. But they're super emotional. They are driven by emotions. So that's one minus point of Pisces, I would say. They're very dedicated. They're very indecisive in that matter. So yeah, they don't have too much crisp thoughts. They're very dreamy people. They live in their own bubble kind of a thing is what Pisces is known for. Now I'm going to dip into that shade called Chip from the palette, and this is more of a chocolatey brown shade, I would say, and I'm going to concentrate it towards the outer corner. I'm not going to worry about being messy right now just because we already have a tape there. So I'm basically going in a tapping motion, and the brush would do the blending by itself. Now Pisces are very caring people, very loving people. As I said, they are very driven by emotions, so they can take a lot. I would say they trust too easily and they love too much, but beware, if you hurt a Pisces, I mean, they'll turn around super cold and behave as if you've never even existed in their life. So be a little cautious. It's a little hard to keep up with the Pisces, I would say. Now I'm going to dip into that shade called Soda Pop from the palette, which is more of the aubergine deep brown black, I would say. And I'm going to concentrate that on my outer corners. It's more of a eggplant brown. So as you can see, much deeper than the Chip shade. Again, I'm just going with a tapping motion and not worrying about blending or anything because the brush would do the blending for itself. And by the way, I'm using Morphe's M433. Now I'm going to dip into that shade called Royalty from the palette, which is the excellent, beautiful purple in the palette, I would say. And I'm going to apply that towards the outer third of the eye, because we are doing our eyes first. I'm not worried about the fallout or anything. Now I'm going to dip back into the shade called Soda Pop and Chip again, and just deepen up and mix it up with the purple shade, just so that the blend is seamless. Now we are going to dip into the crazy mint green shade, which is called Pool Party. I'm super intimidated by the shade, I won't lie. I generally never go for like this green blue, but there's always a first time, so we'll do that. Obviously I'm not worried about the lower lash line right now because we've not done the face, so we'll come back to that after we finish off with our face. So this shade I'm only concentrating on the inner third, actually the inner corner of the eye, and just fading it outwards. I'm not even afraid to bring it to the inner corners because that's the look that I'm going for today. Now after that, I'm going to take the shade called Queen from the palette, which is the bronzy gold in the palette. I'm just going to apply that with my fingers and put it right in the center of the eyelid and mending both these shades together. Now because Pisces are like emotional fools, I would say. So they keep on helping people even if they like do not appreciate them. I mean, yeah, over and over again, and then they tend on hurting themselves. But they're like gem of a people. They wear their heart on the sleeves. They're known for their loving nature. So yeah, pluses and minuses for being a Pisces for sure. Now once we have that all fixed, I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to mend everything together first before we go with a transitioning shade, just to melt everything together. And for that I'll be taking the shade called Hunts from the palette, which is a jet black orange I would say, but I'm tapping off the majority of the product and I'm applying that right in the crease just to give a lot more warmth in the look. Going back and forth, just deepening up my outer corners, just because I'm losing a lot when I'm blending up my crease, which is pretty normal. Now it's time to take off the tape. You see, we have like a sharp edge. Now I'm just going to clean up under my eyes and then move on to the face. Now for my foundation, I'm going to go back to my Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. You guys would not be surprised, it's my favorite foundation from the drugstore. Now for my concealer, I'm going to take my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer and I'm in the shade Sand Beige. By the way, in the foundation, I was in the shade Desert Beige. I'm just going to brighten up the center of my face, just because I need a little more lightness right in the center, because we have like a deep dramatic eyes going on today. Now I'm going to take my CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder and I'm just going to apply that right underneath my eyes so that it smooths up all the texture from the face, and I absolutely love that for that purpose. Now for all over the face, I'm going to dip into my Maybelline's Fit Me powder and I'm going to take the shade called Light Medium. Now let's just finish off the eyes. For my waterline, I'm going to take my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade But First Espresso. And this is a deep brown, espresso brown shade. Absolutely a gem if you are looking for a eye pencil from the drugstore, I mean, do not sleep on this. I mean, I have 3 of the shades with me, and all the 3, I mean, I absolutely love and adore. Now for my under eyes, I'm going to dip into that shade called Chip, and I'm going to just go over the lower lash line, mainly in the outer corners. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some eyeliner, apply some mascara, and I'll get right back. Now, by the way, I finished off my eyes and I applied my Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, and as my liner and false lashes, I applied my Kiss Magnetic Lashes in the style Charm. Now let's finish off the face with some bronzer, and I'm going to take my Milani's Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Suntan. A beautiful bronzer if you're looking from the drugstore. I mean, easily so pigmented. Now let's move on to the blush. For the blush, I'm going to use my Persona Cosmetics Super Blush in the shade Georgia. It's a beautiful peachy blush, and that's what we are going for today. It mostly goes with any look, I would say, and the formula is also absolutely stunning. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to dip back into my Pixi by Petra's Duo highlighter, and this is in the shade Delicate Dew, and I'm going to dip into that bronzy shade. Stunning. It gives such a wet glow to the face, and it's absolutely blinding too. I'm going to set my face with my e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. And for my lips, I'm going to take my ColourPop's BFF3 lip liner. And for my lipstick, I'm going to take my ColourPop's Beeper liquid lipstick. Now, talking about Pisces, they are very unbiased. They have a warm and a sympathetic heart. They offer sensitivity, romance, compassion, imagination, and most importantly, themselves wholeheartedly towards the other person, and that's what I really admire about Pisces. And with that thought in mind, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial that I did for Pisces zodiac sign. We have 2 more left in the zodiac series, so stay tuned for that. If you've not checked out the other zodiac sign makeup tutorials, I will leave it in the icons above or in the description box below, so please do check it out. But yes, if you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe before leaving, and also ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!